In this tutorial, we'll see how to buy USDT on Binance in just a few easy steps. After opening your Binance app, you will land on the home page. From the bottom right corner, click on the wallet option. Then, you will be directed to an overview of your wallet. Next, open the spot section where you can see your balances. Here, you will add a list of coins. You can search for USDT by typing it in the search bar. Once you find USDT, open it. Now you will see three options: buy, sell, and deposit. Click on the buy button to purchase USDT. Then you will need to enter the amount of USDT you want to purchase. For example, if you type 50 USD, you will see at the bottom that it will show you approximately 47.9 USDT in exchange. At the bottom, you will see two options: pay and confirm. Click on pay and you will find different payment options such as Google Pay, credit or debit card pay, or other local options depending upon your region. After selecting your payment method, confirm the purchase by adding your payment details. And that's it. You've successfully purchased USDT on Binance in just a few simple steps.